Once you've set your yearbook up with us, it's really good to have a look at your welcome page, where you can see some of our helpful hints and tips to help you get started with your project. These little pointers are here to help you with lots of different things, like this one for themes, fonts and backgrounds. Once you are happy with everything, head to your home page in the top left hand corner, and here you will see some more tips. First, we will look at setting your page and copy estimates so you can get a quote. Simply click on Book Details and Price, and here you can use our calculator. As you can see, we have 4 different book options, and our pricing works using copy and page brackets. If you only have a rough idea of numbers, this is absolutely fine. You do not need to know your final figures, as these can be changed at any time. Type in your copy and page amounts and you'll be given a quote. As you can see here, this book is currently £21.04. But let's just say your estimates change and you are actually going to order fewer or more copies. You can simply go in and change the amount and the price will automatically update. The same for the page numbers.